Today we're going to be talking about setting your line speed. Well, right now we've got everything installed and set up on our conveyor. The system has been preset, but one of the things that we need to do is make some adjustments to the speed. So we'll get everything running and run a test print, see what it looks like, and then we'll go from there and see what sort of adjustments we need to make. So we've turned on our print. Let's flip on our conveyor here, get it running. All right, so we've got our delay and print set. We're going to have to make some adjustments there, but let's run a test print and see what we've got here. All right, looks like everything is printing a little too fast. As you can see, the characters are squished together there. And it's not as clear as it could be. So what we're going to do then is turn our print off. Anytime we make some adjustments, we want to make sure to turn our printing function off. Then we're going to go to our settings and print settings. And then we're going to make some adjustments to our speed. It is printing too fast, as we can see that the characters are too close together and a little squished. So for our speed, that means we're going to actually raise the number. For the Meenjet series, the lower the number, the faster that it prints. The higher the number, the slower it prints. So we actually need to slow that down a little bit. We were at 15, we took it to 20. And let's go ahead and click OK to save that. And we're going to run a test print. So we'll use the same side of the box, just the other end, so that way we can get a visual comparison here. We'll set it up on our guide rail, let it move along nice and slow. And we can see that we got a little better print. Notice that there's not a whole lot of difference between that 5 and 15 at that speed. So what we're going to do is we're going to make one final adjustment here, just to increase the size a little bit more. All right, turn our print off. Anytime we're making settings changes, we need to make sure to turn the print off. Go to our print settings, and we're going to increase that from 20 up to 25. Just use the finger to touch it, click OK to save, and then turn our print back on to accept those changes. This time we're going to use the clean side of the box here. And you'll see that we got a nice even text. Characters are well formed, everything's spaced the way that it should be, and we've got a good looking code. So just remember, when you're adjusting your speed, the speed is about matching it to the speed of your conveyor to get those characters to look correct. And then make sure that when you're making that speed adjustment, the lower the number, the faster it'll print, so the more it'll squeeze everything together. And the higher the number, the slower it will print, so the more it'll space everything out. Get the characters looking correct so everybody can read your code.